Welcome to my food forest. How you beautiful people doing? Welcome. Hope you guys doing wonderful. Well guys, as you know, I'm up in here putting in the work. Beautiful day. Cannot even ask for such a, it's just amazing. Because at the end of the day, today we still going through our drought, still going through no rain, and we don't wet our plants, so you already know. But we allow, you see the energy of nature, you have to allow that energy to enter your garden, and sometimes you have to bring it in and welcome it. You see, many times you will see me going down to the forest. You will see me going to the forest, and while I'll go down to the forest, I'll go into the forest and I'll bring different things out of the forest. Like I'll bring the logs, I'll bring certain soil out of the forest and bring it into the garden, because what you actually trying to do, you're trying to create this connection. You're trying to create a connection, the energy from in the forest into your garden. You're trying to get the earthworms, you're trying to get the beneficial insect, parasite, whatever in our soil, because we know without these things our soil is basically nothing. So when we allow nature to intercede in our garden, we're doing a great thing. You cannot exempt nature, all right? Because nature understands how everything works. Nature knows how everything works. So let the intelligence of nature do its job. There's an energy, a pure energy that flows beyond the trees, that there's a connection that flows within this zone. Within this zone, there's millions of different living creatures dwelling in this area. Whether it's deer, whether it's parasite in the ground, whether it's flies, whether it's butterfly, they all dwells in this zone. At the end of the day, we all connected. We all need each other. When you come down in the wilderness, sometimes you hear the songs of your ancestors reaching out to you. Sometimes you hear the songs of the ancestors singing to you. We got to listen. If we don't listen, we will not hear. If we speak and refuse to listen, we wouldn't hear. They speak to us. Their language is not going to be coming like how I'm saying hi to you. Their language come in vibration and song. Yes, in vibration and song. So we now have to understand that language, which that language was taken away from us. We don't understand the language, but a few people does. A few people does understand the language, and we got to understand this language. You got to be disciplined. You got to have patience, and you got to remember, meditation comes first. So now, from time to time, you come in these zones and you listen to the songs, you listen to the plants, You listen to the vibration. You listen to whatever nature. All the singing, all the dancing. Sometimes the trees, they're moving, dancing without the breeze even blowing. You'll be surprised the things you see in these areas. So the song, see how the song getting loud. The song start getting louder. It's just amazing. So now what we do, we take this same energy into our garden. This is why we can see miracles in our garden, things you never see. We do it the natural way. We listen to nature. When nature speaks, we listen to the song, to the vibration. We listen. We cannot do it on our own. Remember that. Use this same method that nature used in the forest and apply it in your food forest. Observe what nature does. Apply it in your food forest, in your garden, in your container. I guarantee you, you will want to meet me in person, hug me and shake my hands. But you got to understand, nature speaks, not through the songs of men, like how we speak our language to others. Nature speaks through vibration, through songs. But you only if you understand that nature is speaking and you listen, that's how you're going to learn. So we try to adapt nature, the way of nature, and bring it into our garden. If you notice, no one go over there and feed nothing. No one go over there and wet no plants. Same thing we applies in our garden. We don't wet plants. We actually allow nature to do what it does. So I just want to say, guys, listen to your ancestors. They speaks in songs and vibration. Don't ever ignore that. Alright? Because if you ignore that, you're missing out. And you're losing yourself. This is new time. It's a new wall. Not a new wall, but a new system. And in a few years, what I'm saying here to you, if we continue spreading this information, the youth will never understand and know these messages. Peace and love, guys. Like, subscribe, and share.